Hello students, in this video we will be learning about multi-tone AM. Now we will discuss about amplitude modulation multi-tone. What is multi-tone, sir? Message is having multiple frequency components. Let us assume message signal m of t equal to am1 cos 2 pi fm1t plus am2 cos 2 pi fm2t. Still plus fm3, fm4 also you take. Maximum they are asking two terms only in the examinations also. So multi-tone, my meaning is message signal is having multiple frequency components. If you do the modulation corresponding to message is having multiple frequencies is called multi-tone modulation. Are you getting my point? Carrier, always carrier is same. Carrier signal C of t equal to AC cos 2 pi fct. Getting my point or not? Then what is the general expression of AM? SAM of t equal to AC into one second, AC into 1 plus Ka into M of t into cos 2 pi fct. Now substitute the M of t value here. Then the amplitude modulated equation for multi-tone we are getting, that is 1 plus Ka into M of t. AM1 cos 2 pi fm1t plus Ka into AM2. So Ka AM2 cos 2 pi fm2t into cos 2 pi fct. So finally, I can get the multi-tone AM expression is, students, AC into one second, this cos I will write in the last, AC into 1 plus K into AM mu1 cos 2 pi fm1t plus mu2 cos 2 pi fm2t into cos 2 pi fct. This is the multi-tone AM expression. This is in the list expression number 4. Total I told 17 list. What is here mu1, sir? Is Ka into AM1. What is mu2, sir? Ka into AM2. Are you getting my point or not? Modulation index 1 and modulation index 2. Here multiple you will get because of multi-tone frequency modulation. Sorry, multi-tone amplitude modulation. Like if you are taking third component also mu3, which is K into AM3, like and so on. Are you getting my point or not? Now we will also write the spectrum for this one. So what we need to do for that one is just multiply with inside terms. SAM of t equal to AC into 1. So AC cos 2 pi fct. Next term AC mu1 cos 2 pi fm1t. Next term, one second, into cos 2 pi fct. Last term AC mu2 into cos 2 pi fm2t into cos 2 pi fct. Just I multiplied with the inside terms. Then what I will do is, here cos A into cos B, here also cos A into cos B, because multi-tone is two terms K. Are you getting? This is the additional carrier. Here cos A cos B applied, here also cos A cos B you can apply. Try to recall the formulas of cos A cos B. What is the cos A cos B formula? cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So in those two terms, try to apply the formula of a cos A and cos B, students. If you are applying, try to follow. SAM of t equal to first term as it is, which is AC cos 2 pi FCT. What is second term? Second term is AC mu 1 cos A cos B formula. Generally, you can take this is A, this is B. Are you understand my point? Now, 2 is not there, multiply and divide by 2. Cos A plus B, that is 2 pi into FC plus FM 1t. Next, AC mu 1 by 2 into A minus B term. Cos A minus, that is 2 pi into FC minus FM 1t. Getting my point? Plus AC mu 2 by 2. In this term I am applying cos A cos B. 2 is not there, multiply and divide by 2. Cos A plus B, that is cos 2 pi FC plus FM 2t plus AC mu 2 by 2 into cos A minus B, that is cos 2 pi FC minus FM 2t. This is the expanded expression of a multi-tone AM. Are you getting my point? Now, once if you got the expression, now you can write the spectrum of a multi-tone AM. I am erasing this one for drawing the spectrum. Just for the multi-tone AM expression, I extended this discussion. Means I multiplied with inside terms and I applied the cos A cos B formula. Are you following my point or not? Now, try to see the spectrum. Total how many terms are there? If you clearly observe, there are 5 terms are there in that expression. For our clarity of understanding, students, I am taking my assumption is FM1 is greater than FM2. Or FM2 is greater than FM1 also, you can take depending upon the situation. What is the first term? Cos, additional cos, means additional carrier. Of course, whatever it may be cos. If it is a cos, what is the spectrum I told? If it is a cos, write the impulse at their frequencies. Write the impulse at their frequencies. What is the strength I told? Take amplitude, divide by 2. Take amplitude, divide by 2. Next, see the next term. Next term is also a cos term. Cos term means write the impulse at their frequencies. What is the impulse at their frequencies means? Write the impulse at what is its frequency? FC plus FM1. Exactly negative version minus FC minus FM1. Next. See the next term, also cos. Cos means impulse at their frequencies. What is the frequency? FC minus FM1. Here also exactly minus FC minus FM1. See the next terms. Next what we are having? FC plus FM2, FC minus FM2. These terms will come here. Why? Because I taken FM1 is larger than FM2. Exactly negative version. I am also writing the strength is less. You can also assume that. Sorry, this is minus or minus means plus. You can also assume that AM1 is larger than AM2 or any assumption based on that you can write that. Similar manner, we are also having FC minus FM2 minus FC minus FM2. Here exactly for this one apply with the negative sign. Now if you are observing this red color one, these 4 will have the same strength. What is the strength? Take amplitude, divide by 2. Already 2, 2 2s are 4. And if you see the below two, here and there, these four also having the same strength. What is the strength? Take amplitude, divide by 2. Amplitude is already divided by 2, so another 2 means 4. So how I written the spectrum? Wherever if you see the cos term, simply write impulse at their frequencies. You will get this. This one will be exactly negative version. What is the strength, students? Take amplitude, divide by 2. Clear? Now, try to calculate the bandwidth. What is the bandwidth? Highest frequency minus lowest in the positive side I told. What is the highest value? Here in this situation, Fc plus Fm1 minus. What is the lowest value in this situation? Fc minus Fm1. Then it will be 2Fm1. So I can say 2 times highest frequency of message. Are you getting my point? I can say 2 times highest frequency of message, because why I got Fm1 is because I taken Fm1 is larger than Fm2. Suppose Fm2 is larger, 2 times Fm2 means whenever multiple frequencies are given in engineering service examination, this simple questions are also asking. It will tell you message is having a frequency components of 15K, 20K, 25K, 30K. Then the bandwidth of AM is, whenever multiple frequencies are given, bandwidth of AM is twice the highest frequency. What is the highest frequency there? 30K, 2 into 30K, that is 16K. So whenever multiple frequencies are there, then bandwidth is nothing but 2 times the highest frequency of the message. Are you following my point or not? This is the spectrum. Try to remember this frequency components. Why I written this one is less? Because the assumption is AM1 greater than AM2. If you reverse, the reverse type of thing will come. Any doubt in the spectrum? Once if you are familiar with the spectrum, now you can go for the power calculations, students. Coming to the power calculations, I already told in the previously, power in any signal is nothing but what? RMS value whole square. That is mean square value of a signal I told. So I can go for the power requirement. I can say here total power PT equal to first term, carrier power second term. I can say Fc plus means upper sideband 1 I can say, next is lower sideband 1, next is upper sideband 2, next is lower sideband 2. Or I can also say Pc plus first sideband 1 power, second sideband power, means this is regarding to first frequency component, this is regarding to second frequency component. Or I can also say Pc plus PSB. Here PSB is nothing but total sideband power. Are you understanding my point? Now, total power PT equal to, are you following? PC. What is the power? Mean square value. Mean square value is nothing but RMS value whole square. What is RMS value for cos? Take its amplitude, divide by root 2. RMS value, square the RMS value, you will get power. Power is V square by R, so into 1 by R. Next for this one, AC mu 1 by 2 is amplitude, divide by root 2 RMS value, square the RMS value, you will get a power. Next term, take the amplitude, AC mu 1 by 2, divide by root 2 RMS value, square the RMS value. See the next term, take the amplitude, divide by root 2 RMS value, square the RMS value, you will get a power. Next term also, take the amplitude, divide by root 2 RMS value, square the RMS value, you will get a power. Now I can say total power PT equal to, this is AC square by 2R. Next, this is AC square mu 1 square by 8R. This is AC square mu 1 square by 8R. Next term also AC square, this is mu 2 square by 8R. AC square mu2 square by 8r. Similar terms you can add. So I can say total power equal to AC square by 2r plus this is AC square mu1 square by 4r because two terms same. This is AC square mu2 square by another 4r. Then you can take AC square by 2r common. So total power PT equal to, if you take AC square by 2r common, remaining is 1 plus mu1 square by 2 plus mu2 square by 2. Following my point. There, total power PT equal to AC square by 2r is called PC. Are you following or not? Into 1 plus mu1 square by 2 plus mu2 square by 2. Or I can also write total power PT equal to PC into 1 plus mu t square by 2. What is that mu t? I will explain you. Wait. This is the total power in multi-tone modulation. Are you following my point or not? That is the total power in multi-tone AM. Here I take an LCM. If you take LCM, what is there? Mu1 square plus mu2 square by 2. That mu1 square plus mu2 square I am calling as a mu t square. What is mu t square? My meaning of mu t square is, students, here total modulation index. So mu t will comes whenever if you are going for a multi-tone modulation. Are you getting my point? There, what is the mu t values are? Or mu t square values are? Is mu1 square plus mu2 square. Still the terms are there, plus mu3 square, mu4 square, mu5 square and so on. From here, what is mu t, sir? It's over the root of mu1 square plus mu2 square. This itself is called, students, total modulation index. Are you following my point or not? That is called what? Total modulation index. Clear? Fine. What is the power formula for a single tone? Is PC into 1 plus mu square by 2. What about for multi-tone? This is for multi-tone. PC into same 1 plus mu t square by 2. Where mu t is called total modulation index. That is mu t square equal to mu1 square plus mu2 square, or mu t is root of mu1 square plus mu2 square. Are you following my point? So, if you want to get all the relations in current relations, power relations, efficiency relations, all relations you will get by replacing mu by mu t in multi-tone modulation. Are you following my point or not? You will get all the relations in multi-tone also by replacing mu by mu t in multi-tone modulation. Can you please recall what is the formula for efficiency, students? Can you please recall what is the formula for efficiency? The formula for efficiency we written there, efficiency equal to mu square by 2 plus mu square into 100. Here what you will write? Mu will becoming as a mu t. What is the voltage relations we written, sir? Voltage relations Vt equal to Vc into root of 1 plus mu square by 2. But here, sir, what will come? For multi-tone, mu t. What is the mu t? I already told. Sir, what about the current relations, sir? It equal to Ic into, this is very, very important. 1 plus mu square by 2. But here, mu t square. Where Ic is total current, this is carrier current. From here also you can get mu t value. Mu t value is nothing but root of 2 into, there I written It by Ic whole square minus 1. This 2 is the multiplication factor for all. Like in terms of voltage, mu t equal to over the root of 2 into Vt by Vc whole square minus 1. Following my point or not? Even from that power relation, from this power relation I can also write total power PT equal to PC plus PC into mu1 square by 2 plus PC into mu2 square by 2. And in the starting expression I written total power PT equal to PC into PSB1 plus PSB2. Then what is the PSB1 value? PC into mu1 square by 2. What is the PSB2 value? PC into mu2 square by 2. Are you getting my point or not? Now follow. Here, in the single term modulation, PSB equal to, I written PC into mu square by 2. Here multi-tone means mu1 square by 2. Sideband 2 means mu2 square by 2. What is USB1 and USB2? USB1 and USB2 is half of this. USB2 and LSB2 half of this. Are you following my point or not? This is about the all formulas in the multi-tone modulation. Similar to single tone, but modulation index will be changed. Bandwidth also will be changed 2 times the highest frequency. Clear? See the problem. A 10 kilowatt carrier is simultaneously modulated by 2 carriers corresponding to modulation indices of 30% and 40%. Means it is a problem regarding to multi-tone AM. Respectively, the total power radiated is. What is the total power formula? PT equal to PC into 1 plus mu T square by 2 because multi-tone. What is mu T, sir? Root of mu1 square plus mu2 square. That is the root of 0.3. First one is given 30%. Na? So 0.3 square plus 0.4 square. This will be 0.5. Getting my point or not? Follow. Then substitute there. Total power PT equal to PC. What is the PC, sir? What is the PC given, sir? 10 kilowatt. So 10 into 10 power 3. 1 plus mu T square. What is the mu T value? 0.5 whole square by 2. 0.5 means 0.25 by 2, 0.125. Then if you make 11.25 kilowatt. Getting my point or not? Because 10 into 110, here what you will get 0.125 into 10, 1.25, 10 plus 1, 11.25 kilowatt. Simple. No need of calculator. It's a ESC problem. See the problem. A message signal M of t equal to 4 cos 2 pi into 10 cube t plus 6 sin 2 pi into 10 power 4 t is amplitude modulated by a carrier signal of C of t equal to 10 cos 2 pi into 10 power 60. Calculate power in carrier in each sideband, bandwidth, efficiency, total power and sketch the spectrum. So this is a problem I take in regarding the multi-tone modulation and I am calculating all the terms. And if you clearly see in this M of t, here one I taken one cos, another taken sin. But in our explanation of the subject, both I taken cos only. So why I taken intentionally like that? In examination, always what we are discussing in the classroom, examination what is coming slightly differ. Here we are discussing cos means in examination sin will come, or minus cos will come, or minus sin will come, or sin some phase also will come, like sin 2 pi fct plus or 2 pi fmt plus 90 degree like that. Even though don't bother, because those are changes in only phase, magnitude spectrum is the same, so power will be same. So blindly go for with our as usual calculations. So what is the first question they asked? Power in the carrier. What is the carrier power? PC is AC square by 2R. What is the AC value given? 10. 10 square by any resistance is given? No. Not mentioned means 1. So 50 watt. Power in each side band. How many side bands will come here? This is a multi-tone modulation. For each frequency 2, USB 1, USB 2. Second one also USB2, LSB2. This one you can take as a FM1. This you can take as a FM2. Then first I am calculating USB1. What is that value? PC into, are you following my point or not? Mu1 square divided by 4, because each sideband I taken. This is also equal to, students, LSB 1 power also same. USB 1 power and LSB 1 power both are same. Now what is this value? PC we got 50. What about the modulation index? Any modulation indexes are mentioned? No. What is the mu1 value? Mu1 is nothing but Ka into AM1. Here Ka is 1 by AC, AM 1 by AC, AM1 value is 4 by 10. Means 0.4. So 0.4 whole square by 4. Let's see how easily you can make. 5 into 0.4 whole square is 0.4 into 0.4. 10 I left. So 4 by 4 cancel into 0.4. 5 4s are 20. So 2 watt. So USB 1 2 watt, LSB 1 2 watt. So total sideband 1 power, LSB 1 plus USB 1 2 plus 2, 4 watt. Next, what about the USB 1, USB 2 or LSB 2? It is PC into mu2 square by 4, each one I am taking. PC value is 50 into, PC value 50 into mu2. What is the mu2 value? Ka into AM2. AM2 is given 6. Ka means 1 by AC 10. So 0.6. 0.6 whole square by 4. Are you understanding my point? This we can write as a 5 into 6 into 0.6 divided by 4. Because 0.6 whole square is 0.6 into 0.6. See, 5 6 are 30. 30 means you can leave the 0. Means 3. 3 are 3 6 are 18. 18 by 2. 4. 18 by 4 means 2 9, 2 2, 2 1s, 2 4.5. So 4.5 means total USB 2 is 4.5, LSB 2 also same. So what about the total sideband 2 power 4.5 plus 4.5, 9 watt. Here we got PSB1 4, PSB2 9. So what about the total sideband power? If you want to calculate 4 plus 9, 13 watt. And he is also asking the total power, bandwidth efficiency I will calculate. He is also asking the total power. What is the total power, students? Total power is nothing but total carrier power plus sideband power. What is the carrier power? 50 plus 13. It will be 63 watt. That's the total power. After calculating this one, what they are asking? They are asking about the bandwidth as well as efficiency, students. Coming to the bandwidth and efficiency, what is the bandwidth formula for multi-tone, students? The bandwidth formula for multi-tone is bandwidth equal to twice the maximum frequency component, maybe FM1 or FM2. Here FM2 is maximum. How much? 10 power 4 means 10K. 2 tens are 20 kilohertz is the bandwidth. What about the efficiency? It is a multi-tone. Mu t square by 2 plus mu t square, percentage means into 100. What is mu t square? Mu t square is nothing but root of mu1 square plus mu2 square. Mu2, not 0.2. What is mu1 is given 0.4 square plus 0.6 square. Then it will be 0.72. Are you following my point or not? Mu t square, not mu t. Already I taken the root means. So mu t value is 0.72. Substitute here. 0.72 whole square by 2 plus 0.72 whole square. You will get into 100. You will get approximately 19.96. We can say 20%. That is about the efficiency. Total power I already done. Next, what is asking? Sketch the spectrum. Try to recall the multi-tone spectrum, multi-tone AM. In multi-tone AM, how many frequency components will be there? One is corresponding to carrier, one is corresponding to FM1, another corresponding to FM2. I am writing only on the positive side because many number of frequency components are there. Same also will be in the negative side. The first component is carrier frequency component existing at FC. What is FC value? 10 power 6 means 1 mega. What is its strength? AC by 2. AC given 10, so 10 by 2, 5. Next, upper side band 1. Upper side band 1 value, see, this is less, FM1 is less when compared to FM2. Try to understand. FC plus FM1. What is the FM value? 1 kilo. 2 by 2 pi cancel because this is omega value. So, this is 1000 kilo, 1001 kilo here. Here obviously 999. Because this is FC plus FM1, FC minus FM1. What about the strength? Strength is nothing but AC mu1 by 4. AC value is 10, mu1 is, we already got 0.4 divided by 4, then obviously 1. Next, what we need to calculate? We need to write the frequency components corresponding to FM2. What is the frequency? 10 power 4 means 10k. 1000 plus 10k. Obviously, 1010 here. 990. Are you understand my point or not? So, whatever the strength of these two strength will be same. What is that value? AC mu 2 by 4. What is AC? 10 into 0.6 by 4. 6 by 4, 3 by 2. So of course 1.5. So I written a little bit of more. From here also, even you can calculate the bandwidth, students. Here also you can calculate the bandwidth. What is the bandwidth? Highest minus lowest. 1010 minus 990. Even the 20k. What is this is? FC plus FM2. FC minus FM2. Similar, you have to write in the negative version also. Understand my point? This is the overall. I am solving all the points in the multi-tone AM. The signal x of t equal to sine 200 pi t plus 2 sine 400 pi t is modulated to produce a signal g of t equal to x of t into sine 400 pi t. This is passed through a low pass filter having cutoff frequency of 400 pi. The pass band gain is 2. Then the output of a signal after the filter is here g of t equal x of t into some sine or cos. Multiplication means modulation he is doing. Then passing through some LPF. What is the output is asking students. Anyhow, can I write directly g of t? What is g of t equal to? This into this. Sine 200 pi t into sine 400 pi t. Sine A, sine B formula. 2 is not there. 2 is not there means cos A plus B minus cos A minus B is the actual formula. But here minus is not given. Actually, cos A plus B minus cos A minus B formula is minus 2 sin A sin B. Minus is not there. 2 is not there, so 1 by 2. Cos A minus B, first it will come cos A minus B plus, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So cos A minus B means 400 minus 200. So it will be 200. Of course, by 2 is there because 2 is not there. Minus 1 by 2 cos A plus B, that is 400 plus 600. 400 plus 200, 600 pi t. Next, sin 400 pi t, sin 400 pi t, sin square 400 pi t into 2. 2 is there. 2 sin square A, 1 minus cos 2A. So, plus 1 minus cos 2A. 2 means 2 into 400 means 800 pi t. This is passed through the low pass filter. So LPF output is nothing but a student. It is allowing up to 400 pi. So this allowed, this blocked, this allowed, this blocked. And again also 2. 1 by 2 into 2, so 1. So cos 200 pi t. 1 into 2 will be 2. But if you see the option, DC component is not given, and what is the another DC component is not given, so frequency component is given. If you see all the options, which is suitable one? Cos 200 pi t will be the suitable one, because here DC value is not mentioned. So from the options, we have to go for a suitable one. Consider the message m of t equal to 2 cos 2 pi f1 plus cos 2 pi f2. Message is having multiple frequencies, so multi-tone modulation. Use it to modulate the carrier cos 2 pi fct. To generate an AM signal S of t equal to AC plus M of t into cos 2 pi fct. If you take in the list numbers, one expression above that one expression, we written this one only. We are changing the amplitude of a carrier according to message called amplitude modulation. The value of AC, which ensures the modulation index, is 0.5. Here modulation index is given 0.5 means this modulation index is a total modulation index or only for one. It is a total modulation index because the given is multi-tone. Given mu value itself is mu t. What is mu t actually? Root of, what is mu t actually? Root of mu 1 square plus mu 2 square. What is mu 1? Ka into AM1 square plus Ka into AM2 square. Are you getting my point or not? So root of Ka means 1 by AC. So AM1 by AC whole square plus AM2 by AC whole square. See the given problem. What is AM1 value? 2. AM2 value nothing is there, means 1. Substitute here. 2 square 4, 1 square is 1. 4 plus 1, 5. Are you getting my 5 by AC square? So, understanding my point or not? So, root 5 by AC square, or the root means AC. Are you following my point or not? 4 plus 1 is 5. And what is this value given? The given value is students 0.5. Are you following my point or not? So 0.5 equal to 0.5 means 1 by 2. Then AC value equal to 2 into root 5. No option is there. So send the 2 in the root. So 2 square will be 4. 4 5s are 20. So root 20 volt. Root 20 means option A. Now only the point the given is the multi-tone because they given multiple frequencies. Multi-tone I substituted. Got that.